Think and Grow Rich is one of the most best selling books of Napoleon Hill. It is said that Napoleon Hill and Think and Grow Rich have made more millionaires than any other person in history. Napoleon Hill, after interviewing more than 500 multimillionaires, had made this book, Think and Grow Rich. He had made all their experience and methods in a form of principles. By following these principles, personalities like Henry Ford, founder of Ford Automobile Company, Thomas A. Edison, who owned the rights to more than 1000 patent inventions, Theodore Roosevelt, 26th President of America, and a lot more dignitaries have made their fortunes. From this book, Think and Grow Rich, I am sharing with you some of the most life changing stories and principles by which you can also give a direction to your life. If you have not watched the previous video, then go on I button, watch it, and let's continue to this one. A long years ago, a great warrior faced a situation in which he had to make a decision that ensured his success on the battlefield. He was about to send his armies against a powerful foe whose men outnumbered his. He loaded his soldiers into boats, sailed to the enemy's country, unloaded the soldiers and equipment. Then he gave the order to burn the ships that had carried them. Addressing his men before the battle, he said, "You see the boats going up in smoke. That means we cannot leave these shores alive unless we win. We now have no choice. We win or we perish." They won. Every person who wants to win must have to burn his ships and cut all sources of retreat. There is the only way you can be in a state of mind known as burning desire to win. If you want to be successful in any field, whether it is business, music, dancing, YouTube, or any other profession, you have to make yourself in a situation, do or die. The only way to achieve what you want. A kite flying in the sky only goes higher when the string attached to the kite is cut off. So if you want to be at a higher place of which you are dreaming, you have to cut the rope or cut the string which is holding you. There are no such kind of words like second chance or another opportunity. You have to do or die. Decision in your hands.